I'm Juliana and I'm currently 16 weeks pregnant with my first baby. While being excited about every little step of this journey, I'm willing to do whatever I can to make sure that I have a healthy and happy pregnancy. With that said, I am beyond excited to open the package we just got today from Mama Selects. I chose Mama Selects because it's made with high quality natural ingredients and I want to make sure that the baby and I get the best that we can. Plus. I chose Prenatal Plus because it's complete and I only have to take one a day. It also comes with iron and folic acid and calcium, which I really like. And my favorite part, I already opened it ahead of time so you wouldn't have to watch that. But my favorite part is that it's in capsule form and not tablet. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this helps you make your decision. I hope you have a very happy and healthy pregnancy.